Hey guys, Steven Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Extang's Trifecta 2.0, and with Extang we actually have Todd. How you doing, Todd?
Doing well, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming out today.
My pleasure.
So tell us more about the Trifecta 2.0 and really some of the new features you got here.
So the Trifecta 2.0 is a redesigned, re-engineered version of our best-selling soft trifold cover, the Trifecta. The Trifecta 2.0 has been redesigned so it carries a little different line, a softer contoured finish of the perimeter of the cover. Instead of a hard angular edge, we've got a nice contour to it. We've incorporated new clamps into the cover. Our cab clamp is now what we call the jaw grip clamp. Very easy to use T-handle based style clamp that you'd see on the original Trifecta, but you'll make one slight adjustment. You'll set the height of the upper portion of the clamp by rotating it around the bolt. You want to make sure that the bottom portion of that black pad is level with the bottom of the bed rail flange, and then you'll tighten the clamp's T-handle and engage both sides. The rear clamp is what we call our Easy Lock clamp. It's still a spring-loaded clamp, but it requires much less force to operate than our original spring-loaded clamp. The Easy Lock clamp actually, when released, will lock into position as well, so it creates a more secure area of your truck bed than our original style clamps. The Trifecta 2.0 also incorporates a snap-on seal feature that's exclusive to Extang tri-folding truck bed covers. The snap-on seal snaps into our extruded aluminum frame. We don't use any adhesive to mount it. It's going to hold up to harsh winters and wet springs a lot better than our stick-on style seals that we used in the original iteration. It still features 45-degree steel corner brackets at the rear for structural supports. It carries the industry's best vinyl, creating essentially an impenetrable skin stretching from cab to tail to keep all your belongings dry. Really easy to use. In most cases, you can install these in about 5 minutes, engaging 4 clamps. For the most popular trucks, there's no additional hardware. If you have a Tundra, Tacoma, Ridgeline, or Rambox, maybe a Titan that has a cargo management system, we will provide some supplemental hardware or supplemental rail, but for the most popular applications out there, you basically center this over the bed and engage 4 clamps, and 5 minutes later you're traveling down the road.
It's hard to beat that.
Yeah.
So Todd, tell us more about Extang and what kind of warranties you offer for the Trifecta 2.0.
So Extang manufactures all of our truck bed covers at our headquarters in Ann Arbor, Michigan. It's an ISO and TS certified production facility. We've got an incredible operations team and great R&D capabilities that have been made available to Extang by our parent company, Truck Hero. The Extang Trifecta 2.0 carries a lifetime warranty for manufacturer's defects. We're going to stand behind the cover in most cases longer than you own your truck. The Trifecta 2.0 also comes in a different finish called the Signature Series. The Signature Series features all the great benefits of the original Trifecta 2.0, but in lieu of a vinyl top skin, it's basically got a rag top or soft cloth look to it with a vinyl underlayment. So it carries a marine acrylic material. It looks like a convertible top. You can also outfit a Trifecta 2.0 behind a standard 18 to 20 inch toolbox as well. In 6.5 foot and 8 foot trucks, we've got those available as well.
Awesome. Well, that's good information to have. So guys, like Todd was saying, the installation is super easy. In fact, it took under 5 minutes to do this. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 1. Really because it's super lightweight, you can manage this on your own, and it's very easy, like you said, to install and to operate. So 1 out of 10 is what I'm going to give this. Super easy to do on your own. So guys, that's a wrap. Todd, thank you again for coming out today.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it very much.
Yes, sir. It's been a pleasure. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about the Trifecta 2.0, check our description below. Everything will be listed for you there, as well as a part number and even a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.